Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to look at the array.includes method, and basically this method determines whether an array checks whether an array includes a certain value among its entries, okay, and it returns either true or false based on what it finds. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So basically what I have here is I have an array of fruits, so banana, mango, apple, banana, orange, apple, and mango. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first off, let me do a result. So I'll say const and result, and I'll set it to be equal to fruits dot include. Okay, and as you can see here, it's already giving us an explanation. So it's going to take in a search element, which is going to be a string. And so basically, let me just show you how it works. I'm just going to come down here and okay, so here I'm going to put in a string, sorry, and let's just check if it contains banana. So, and you know it contains banana, right? So I'll come out and I'll console.log, and I'll console.log the result. And what do you think we're going to get? So let me save that and run the code. So we get true, and that's because it contains banana. Okay, so we can check if it contains, let's just say cashew, and I hope I got that spelling correctly. So let me save that and let's run the code, and we get false. That's because this fruit is not here. Okay, so basically let me show you how we can actually apply this in the real world. So for example, we may want to test whether an array contains a particular item, and we may want to do something based on whether it contains that item or do something else, you know. So let me just show you. So if I come down here and I can just say some if, and I'll just say banana, or no, I would say if result. So because the banana is inside of the result, so I'll say if result, then I want to do something. So basically let me just console.log, but I don't think I want to console.log result. I want to console.log a string. So let me just say something like banana detected. Okay, that sounds like some kind of okay, or else I want to console.log it's also going to be a string. So let me do this and say no banana detected. Okay, so we can comment this out and save. Okay, so because we have banana, or because the result is true, let's run the code and see. So you see we get banana detected here. All right, so there's one more thing I probably should say before I round up this video, and that is for you to note that the includes method is actually case sensitive when comparing strings and characters. Okay, so if I come here and I say banana with a small letter B, right, and I save, and let's run the code and see what happens. So it says no banana detected. That's because the includes array method is case sensitive. Okay, all right, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Okay, I see